Hi, and welcome back to 959 Phonics. This is lesson 2 of level 2. So if you didn't already do the first lesson, go ahead and go back and find lesson 1 and come right back. Today you're going to need one piece of paper or the worksheet that goes with this lesson. You're going to need a pen and a pencil, and you're going to need a pair of scissors. We're going to start off with highlight the rhyme. So you'll use the spot on your worksheet where it says highlight the rhyme and there's a pen. You'll need a pen and a pencil for this activity. If you don't have the worksheet, just take a blank piece of paper and number your paper from 1 to 5. And you can write your cards right there. So today we are going to say the magic rhyme, and then we are going to write the word. So here's our first one. We're going to say ag, ag, ag. There you go. Ag, ag, ag. And we are going to spell the word brag. So brag, actually we're going to spell bragging. So what ending do you hear on bragging? I-N-G. So let's say the first part, brr. You're going to write that in pencil. So it's B-R in pencil. Then in marker, you're going to write A-G or pen. You're going to double the G and then add the ending in pencil. I-N-G. So check that. You should have B-R in pencil, A-G, the magic rhyme only, in marker or pen, double the G in pencil, and then the ending in pencil, I-N-G. Okay, so we're going to do that for every single one. So let's say the magic rhyme, egg, 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 and then let's spell leggings. So what is the ending? It actually has 2 endings, right? So the first one is I-N-G, leggings. There's an S at the end. Okay, ready? Leggings. First part, magic rhyme in pen or marker. Double the G. Legging, leggings. Great. Let's do this one. It, it. Let's spell splitting. So what's the ending in splitting? I-N-G. Okay, listen to this beginning part. Spool, spool. S-P-L. Now in marker or pen. I-T. Double that T and add the ending. I-N-G. Awesome. Ib. Let's spell scribbling. So scribbling has 2 endings as well. So if I'm going to spell the word scribble, what ending would I see? I would see the L-E, right? But I want to make it into scribbling. So I've got to add another ending, I-N-G. Now you might know when I add that I-N-G, I have to drop the E on L-E. So I'm going to have the L and then the I-N-G. Try scribbling. Skrr. S-C-R. Write the magic rhyme. Double it. Ending. Scribble-ing. Awesome. Let's spell strumming. Strumming. Think about the ending. I-N-G is the ending. Strr. Write it down. First part, 3 letters. Magic rhyme. Double the M and add the I-N-G. Awesome. For the next part, you are going to need some letter cards. If you're using the worksheet, you have the letter cards at the bottom of your page. If you don't have the worksheet, I will show you the letter cards on the next page, and you can just get a strip of paper, cut it into little pieces, and write your letters right on there. Okay, so today we are actually just going to make a big word. We're not going to make a bunch of little words and change it. We're just going to make a big word. And the word that I want you to make is creaking. So if you open a door and it makes kind of that squeaky sound, you might say the door was creaking as it opened. So go ahead and say the first part and pull down the letters. See that middle part, creak, and then the ending. Once you've made a big word, you're going to want to break it and say it part by part. So watch me. I've broken it. Break yours. And then I'm going to say it part by part. Creaking. Sometimes two vowels go together, and the sound of the vowel is the name of the first vowel. So this first vowel says E. It says its name. So this EA pattern says E. Go ahead and say each part again. Creaking, and then push it back together. And what word have you made? Great, you've made the word creaking. We're going to continue exploring this EA vowel pattern in our next activity. For the next activity, you are going to use the part that says spell the word. You can write anywhere in that box. You're going to have 3 words to write, so leave yourself enough room to write 3 pretty big words. I'm going to make the first word, and then you are going to write it. So the first word that I'm going to make is the word dreaming. Dreaming has the same EA part that creaking had. Sometimes 2 vowels go together, and the sound of the vowel is the name of the first vowel. This long word is dreaming. I was dreaming of having an ice cream cone. That would be a good dream for me. Go ahead, I'm going to break the word dreaming. I want you to say each part before you write it down. Ready? Say it with me. Dreaming. Now, I want you to write dreaming on your spell the word part. Once you've written it, check it. Do you have the EA part? I can change the word dreaming into the word streaming. Maybe you're streaming a video on YouTube. Go ahead and write the word streaming part by part on your paper. So I'm going to write this first part, str, then I'm going to write the middle part, eam, and then the ending, ing. If you know how to write dreaming and streaming, you can write the challenge word of the day. And I'm not going to write it for you. You are going to say it slowly and write down the parts that you hear. The word is screamer. Somebody was on the roller coaster and they were a screamer. And that person was probably me because I scream a lot on roller coasters. Write the word screamer. Now you can take your paper to an adult and show it to them. Show them the words that you spelled and have them check over it. Also, while you're reading independently and writing independently, it is important that you pay attention to vowel patterns. When there are 2 vowels together, sometimes the vowels say the name of the first vowel. This would be the long E sound that says E. So pay attention to that as you go off to read independently and write independently. And then I'll see you next time for another 9:59 phonics.